Hi Clint, it's the Rob here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Street Glide. It has only 2,600 kilometers on it and the price is $20,488 plus HST and licensing. These are the warranty options if you will be interested. It has a tinted windscreen, chromed wheels which look just awesome. The bike is like brand new because it has very low mileage on it. All black. The rear rim is chrome as well. I don't know if you can see it over there. Canadian bike, all clean and ready to go. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. Here is the VIN number just in case if you need it for insurance purpose. So bike is available. And please let me know if you have any other questions. We do financing as well, so that's just an option. Thank you.